Are your photos missing in Phone Link or refusing to load on your Windows PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Phone Link when photos aren't showing. We'll go through the most common causes and the best solutions to get your images syncing again. So let's get started. Start by opening Phone Link and confirming that your phone is connected. If the connection is lost or unstable, your recent photos won't appear on your computer. Open the link to Windows app on your phone and review its permissions. Make sure the app has permission to access your photos and media files. Without this permission, Phone Link cannot display your images. Keep in mind that Phone Link mainly displays your recent photos instead of your entire photo library. Take a new picture on your phone and wait a few moments to see if it appears in the Photos tab. Yeah, this is an easy way to check whether syncing is working. Close Phone Link completely, then reopen it. If the photos still don't load, disconnect your phone and reconnect it. Refreshing the connection often restores photo synchronization. Check for updates in the Microsoft Store for Phone Link and update the link to Windows app from your phone's App Store. Installing the latest versions helps resolve bugs and improve syncing performance. Updates frequently include fixes for sync-related issues. If the Photos section is still empty, remove your phone from Phone Link and complete the pairing process again. A fresh setup can resolve syncing problems caused by corrupted connection data. It usually solves issues that basic troubleshooting doesn't fix, and that's how to fix Phone Link when photos aren't showing. In most cases, checking permissions, confirming your connection, updating the apps, and reconnecting your device will solve the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.